Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex, and today we're looking at a paper trending on X, published on July 28, 2025, just about 3 days ago. This research shows how we can now see inside opaque containers, predicting their liquid level with an incredibly low 1% error, just by sensing tiny surface vibrations. The paper is titled, Learning to See Inside Opaque Liquid Containers Using Speckle Vibrometry, and as we'll see, this approach is surprisingly robust, even when dealing with new containers and background noise. The authors combine a novel laser sensing system with a specialized deep learning model called a vibration transformer. Alright, and the community on X is definitely taking notice. The reaction online has been really positive, with many people highlighting the elegance of the core concept. They're boiling it down to its essentials, using a sound source to make a container vibrate, a laser to capture that vibration, and then a neural network to convert those subtle movements into a prediction of the liquid inside. There's also a lot of buzz about the potential for new hardware applications, showing how open research like this can really spark innovation beyond the initial idea. And this first figure really visualizes that whole process. You can see the setup. A sound source, like a speaker, makes several containers vibrate. A laser projects a grid of points onto their surfaces, and a camera captures the reflected light. The system uses a technique called Speckle Vibrometry, which essentially tracks tiny shifts in the reflected laser pattern to measure the surface vibrations. This vibration data is then fed into the vibration transformer, a custom AI model, which then predicts both the container type and its fill level with remarkable accuracy. So these next visuals really highlight why this problem is so challenging, and why a sophisticated model is needed. On the one hand, you have a simple wine glass. Its vibration pattern, when broken down into basic frequencies using a Fourier transform, shows a really clean single peak. You can see that peak shifts predictably as the liquid level changes. But now look at the coconut water carton. Its frequency response is much more complex, a jumble of signals. It's not at all obvious how to relate that messy vibration to the fill level, which is exactly why this learning-based approach is so powerful. Building on that, this diagram shows the architecture of the vibration transformer itself, the model designed to decipher those complex signals. So for each point on the container, the raw vibration data is converted into the frequency domain. First, a point transformer analyzes the frequency spectrum from each individual point. Then, a second network, the shape transformer, fuses the information from all these points together. This allows the model to understand the overall vibration shape across the container surface. Finally, two simple neural networks make the predictions, one for the container type and one for the liquid fill level. Okay, so now we get to the results. And this table really shows how powerful that vibration transformer architecture is. The key metric here for liquid level is the mean absolute error, or MAE, where a lower number is better. An MAE of 0.01, for example, means just a 1% error. In the simplest test, on known containers, the model achieves exactly that, a 0.01 MAE. But what's really impressive is its robustness. Even with background supermarket noise, the error is only 4%, and it remains highly accurate for new, unseen containers. So in conclusion, this research presents a fascinating new capability for computer vision. It's a first-of-its-kind method for remotely inspecting what's inside opaque containers, not by seeing, but by sensing tiny vibrations with a laser and interpreting them with a powerful AI model. The potential for industrial inspection and inventory management is huge. That's it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.